Alright guys, so I have a Dodge Ram 2010 Laramie, and usually sometimes I get a line right here that says service brake, trailer brake or something like that, and then I've been getting sometimes a check engine light. It's a switch light, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to remove it. So there's the switch right over here. You're gonna pull it, you're gonna twist it to your left counterclockwise, and it's gonna snap off like that. If this is stuck, which I don't know, I mean, I've been having problems with my lights stay on, so let's give this a try and see if it works. I don't know if you could tell, but this one looks a little bit more shorter. This doesn't move all the way down, but this one does. So let's see. Alright. So we're gonna stick it again on this side. Alright, seems like it's in. Alright. Let's see. So I don't have no one at the moment. So I'm gonna try to grab my jack. So I don't have another person, so I'm just gonna try to lay off my jack right there. Alright, that's working. I'm gonna go take the jack, release it from the brake. It's no longer stuck, so that should be fixing up the problem. Got no lights right here, so let's see. A couple miles I'll give an update.